So we have p times q raised to the power 3 divide r square. Okay, when p is 10 raised to the power 8, q is 10 raised to the power minus 4, and r is 0.001. So we should express our answer in powers of the 10. So how do we do this? Solution. Okay, so the expression given is p times q raised to the power 3 divide r square. Okay, so for the value of p in the expression, we have it to be 10 raised to the power 8. So we replace it. Okay, times, so what is bringing p and q together is times, and for q we have to be 10 raised to the power minus 4. Okay, so we have it as raised to the power 3, which is this as the external power. Okay, so we have all over, and for r we have it to be 0.00001 squared. Okay, so here we can simplify this further. So we have this as 10 raised to the power 8 times. Okay, so when you apply the exponent rule, we can multiply this with this easily. Okay, so when we use the exponent rule, so we have something like this. Okay, so the base, we repeat it back, we multiply the internal exponent and the external exponent together. So we have m times n. So we have a raised to the power mn. Okay, so the same thing applies here. So we have this as 10 raised to the power minus. So for 4 times 3, we have it to be 12 all over. So for 0.0001, we can take this to a fraction. Okay, so how do we do that? So we have 0.00001. So we are taking this to a fraction. We roll a straight line. The decimal point returns to 1. Okay, so other digits turns to 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we keep 5 zeros. So here we have 1. Okay, so with this, we can bring this down further by writing as 1 divide. So putting this in index form. So we have 5. So we have 10 raised to the power 5, or we write it as 10 raised to the power minus 5. Okay, so we can transform everything we have within the bracket. So 10 raised to the power minus 5. Okay, which is the same thing as this. So for 10 raised to the power minus 5 squared. Okay, so we can easily apply the exponent rule as well here. So from here we have this as 10 raised to the power 8 times 10 raised to the power minus 12 divide 10 raised to the power minus 5 times 2. We have to be minus 10. But we are asked to leave our answer in the powers of 10. So we have the same base, multiplying the same base. Okay, when you look at law of indices, when you multiply the same base, okay, what do? We pick out 1, we add the power. Okay, so likewise here we pick out 1, which is 10, which is the base, we add up the power. So we have 8, okay, plus minus 12 divide, here we have this as 10 raised to the power minus 10. Okay, so from here we have this as 10 for 8 minus 12, plus times minus is minus, divide, here we have 10 raised to the power minus 10 equals, here we have this as 10 for 8 minus 12, we have this to be minus 4. Okay, divide 10 raised to the power minus 10. Okay, so when we are bringing this, we can write this as 10 raised to the power minus 4 divide, okay, 10 raised to the power minus 10. Okay, so here we have this as 10 raised to the power minus 4 minus 10. So when we apply law of indices, dividing the same base. Okay, so we are dividing the same base, we pick out 1, we subtract the power. So when we have 10 as the base, we subtract the 2 power. So at this point we have this to be 10 raised to the power minus 4 plus 10. Okay, so we have 10 raised to the power 6.